Good morning everyone, it is 8 a.m. in the morning right now and me and my friend Marnik are going to fish. Marnik is one of my ex-colleagues from the gym and we're going to the Hague today and we're gonna catch some big fishes, hopefully. This is the first time that I will ever fish in the Netherlands, so wish me luck. We are in The Hague with Marnik at this beautiful location. Let's hunt for some fishes.
Goed opletten ook als je volgers hebt, want vaak zie je, als je er een beetje doorheen kijkt, zie je zeg maar achter je aasje, zie je dan
Hey, Marnik got something! Oh, gaan we dat doen? Was het?
Okay, mate.
Nice one. Hey.
Yes.
Oh, it's a big one.
Mooie baars, man. Wow. Perch.
Nice perch. Okay. First catch of the day on this new spot.
Ga maar passen. Ja, hup. Pak even mijn tongetje. Een momentje.
Wow, it's a beautiful perch.
Heel nice.
Wow. Nice. We are at the other side. We were standing over there. Now we're going here. We're on a new spot. Let's see if we can catch something here. Unfortunately, that was the only fish that we caught for the day, but we will definitely go on some more fishing trips and maybe do some overnight fishing. So subscribe if you like some fishing content or travel content, because there will come a lot more. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.